Hey everyone, ready to meet one of the most bizarre birds out there? Today, we're talking about the frogmouth, and trust me, this bird is weirdly awesome. Let's dive in. Frogmouths are absolute camouflage champions. With feathers that look like tree bark, they perch perfectly still on branches during the day, blending right in. Predators and prey alike often pass by without noticing them. It's like real-life invisibility. Though they look like owls, frogmouths aren't related to them. They're more like distant cousins. These birds are nocturnal hunters, snapping up insects with their wide, frog-like mouths, hence the name frogmouth.